Are you tired of spending countless hours manually transcribing your videos? And do you struggle with errors in the transcription process? Well, guess what? Descript has a really easy way for you to make your transcripts and export them. And in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export your transcript from Descript in just a few simple steps, saving you time, and you'll have better accuracy. Hello and welcome to Edit with Ease. I'm Andrea, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently export your transcripts and streamline your workflow. Now, before we get started, make sure you download Descript using the link in the description below so you can quickly follow along with me in today's Descript tutorial. All right, let's get started. Obviously, before you export your transcript, you want to make sure that you go through your entire document and get rid of your filler words and tighten up the dead spaces, and go ahead and click the links. And if you haven't done that already, I have a video that you can follow along with to remove the filler words, and there is also a video that you can follow along with to remove the dead gaps. So assuming that this is all done, we're going to go ahead here and click publish and then export. Now you can export your audio, the timeline, the transcript, and the subtitles. We're going to export the transcript. The last time I exported a transcript, I exported it as a docx, but there are other options, which is the HTML, the Markdown, plain text, and rich text format. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as Microsoft Word docx. I think that can be used in Google Docs too, so that's kind of reason why I like that one. Now, there are some other options. You can include the composition name, and that is this part here, Family Visits the Zoo. I always like to include the composition name when I am exporting a transcript so that I don't get confused with anything later on, like if I look at it a month later or something like that. Now, if you are using any markers in your document, this document doesn't have markers, but you can include those. And I never include ignored text because I just think it makes it too confusing. And then you can include speaker labels, but in this case, I'm the only speaker, so I don't need that. For the time codes, there are several options, and I usually keep it at 60 seconds for the interval, but I always include the paragraph breaks. So in this case, you will have the interval at 60 seconds, and there will always be a timestamp for each paragraph. And then, of course, if you have speaker labels, there will be a time code for that or a timestamp for that, and markers. All right, so right now, this is how I'm going to have the settings. And so I will just click X here. Okay, so when you export, all you have to do is click Export here, and then you will have an option to save your document. And of course, this is called Family Visits the Zoo. It is saved in the docx Microsoft Word. So I'm just going to click Save. Usually transcripts get exported really quickly. So after that, you can just click Open and use your document however you want to use it. All right. Wasn't that easy? You've successfully exported your transcript from Descript. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to subscribe for more time-saving tips and tricks, and leave a comment below letting me know how you plan to use your exported transcripts. And don't forget to check out my other videos. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.